In this video, I'm about to show you how to use automatic subtitles with the Captions app. First, navigate to the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile phone. Then, search for Caption in the given search bar. Now, install the Caption app and you can control down to preview the app. Here, it'll show that it's an AI-powered creative studio with no typing, just talking. It can edit the video and add text, scripts, and caption to your video in any language. Open the Caption app and sign in with Microsoft, Google, or Apple. To sign in with Google, choose your Google account and continue it. After that, you can get a subscription or use it for free. Hit the Creation button and import your footage. Now, choose any video and you can trim it according to your choice. Select the translation language from the provided languages. Here, proceed with English and you can see different features at the bottom. After that, tap on Captions and you can split it according to the video length. It'll start adding the caption to your video and align your caption. In the end, tap on Export to export your video in the gallery. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.